Namaste. Today we will talk how nature affects one's nature, one's mind and life. Nature is the mother from which every being is born, be that animate or inanimate. Nature is the source from where we have come. That is the mother. As we feel very relaxed, very happy with the mother, so whenever we come in the nature, we feel very relaxed, very healed and very peaceful. And nature is the most innocent, most pure. So when you come in contact with the purity, you feel a kind of good feelings and solace. So here around me, this is beautiful nature, you can see, and in such nature, if you can sit silently and you can be merged with this purity of nature, you can feel a good energy, a healing energy, so that this will rejuvenate your body, mind, so that you will feel more blessed.